I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. Today I would like to talk about 25mm screed. When talking about a 25mm screed, the substrate should be identified. Do you have concrete, which would be bonded, a membrane, which would be unbonded, or floating onto thermal or acoustic insulation? The ability to lay 25mm screed will be dependent on what type of substrate it is. If we take the discussed substrates one by one and identify suitable products for the 25mm screed. If we start with bonded, we've got Gypsol or Gyvlon for flowing screed, Keracem Eco or Topcem for fast drying screed, along with Retanol Extreme. For unbonded, we've got Gypsol TS-20 for flowing screed. If we look at floating, we're looking at 25mm screed to be laid directly on installation. I would be extremely careful. I would not like to recommend any products for this application, and anything used may be at risk. A change of floor build-up may be required. I hope this helps you with your 25mm screed choices. The screed products discussed are not exclusive, and if you have any questions, please contact